Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to use Wavve in 2023. So guys, this is very simple process and everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and you search Wavve account and you can see and I am add my email password like this and password and select your role. I am select education role, educator, sorry, and you can see you will upload your file, record and your link, and now you create video in Wavve account. You can see this option, create a new video, sorry. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press bell icon. Take care, bye bye.